Okay, real talk. I once walked into a German pharmacy with a sore throat and tried to ask for medicine. I pointed at my neck and said something about my Hals being kaput. The pharmacist just stared at me like my throat had committed a crime.
Oh, nein, Max. Your throat is broken. That is what you told her.
Exactly. And this is the problem. The moment I feel sick, my German collapses faster than my immune system. And being sick in another country is already scary enough.
And here is the secret nobody tells you. At the doctor and the pharmacy, you do not need big medical vocabulary. You need a few simple sentences that point at where it hurts. That is all the Germans expect from you.
A few simple sentences? Okay, that I can survive, as long as I stop telling people my body parts are broken.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to make an appointment, describe your symptoms, name your body parts, buy medicine, ask for a prescription, get a sick note, and even handle an emergency. Alles auf Deutsch. That means all in German.
Wait, even an emergency? Now I'm a little nervous and a little excited.
Both feelings are correct. Bereit? That means ready?
Bereit.
Aber erst einmal herzlich willkommen zur neuen Episode at the Doctor and Pharmacy in German. Ich bin Anna.
And I'm Max, and today I'm the patient, which honestly feels very natural for me.
Today we cover 6 things: making an appointment, describing symptoms, your body parts, the pharmacy, prescriptions and sick notes, and emergency basics. 6 tools so you never freeze up when you feel unwell.
6 tools. Okay, my throat and I are ready.
Los geht's. Here we go. Section 1. Making an appointment. Before you see a doctor in Germany, you usually call and book. So the first sentence is, Ich möchte einen Termin machen.
Ich möchte einen Termin machen. And let me guess, Termin is a date, like a romantic dinner with my doctor.
Aha, nein. Termin means appointment. Ich möchte einen Termin machen means I would like to make an appointment. It is polite and works everywhere. Doctor, dentist, anywhere.
Ich möchte einen Termin machen. I would like to make an appointment. Okay, that is smooth and not romantic at all. Good.
And the receptionist will probably ask, Was haben Sie für Beschwerden? That means, what are your complaints, or what is wrong?
Beschwerden. That's a scary long word. What is it again?
Beschwerden means complaints in the medical sense, your aches, your problems. Don't panic, you just answer with a simple symptom, which we learn in a minute.
Okay, and what if I needed fast, like today fast?
Then you say, Geht es heute noch? That means, is it still possible today? Or haben Sie etwas früher? That means, do you have anything earlier?
Geht es heute noch? Haben Sie etwas früher? Those are gold for an impatient patient like me.
Zusammenfassung. That means summary. Ich möchte einen Termin machen. I would like to make an appointment. Was haben Sie für Beschwerden? What is wrong? Geht es heute noch? Is it still possible today?
Got it. Book the appointment, brace for the complaints question. What's next?
Section 2. Describing your symptoms. This is the heart of the whole episode, and the magic sentence is, Mir tut der Kopf weh.
Mir tut der Kopf weh. Okay, slow down. That has a lot of little words. What's happening there?
Let me break it down for you. Mir means to me, tut weh means hurts, and der Kopf means the head. So, mir tut der Kopf weh means my head hurts.
Mir tut der Kopf weh. My head hurts. So the pattern is mir tut der something weh.
Genau, that means exactly. You just swap the body part. Mir tut der Bauch weh. My stomach hurts. Mir tut der Rücken weh. My back hurts. One pattern, endless pain.
I love and hate that it's endless pain. Mir tut der Bauch weh. Mir tut der Rücken weh. This is so useful.
And there is an even easier shortcut. You can just take a body part and add Schmerzen, which means pains. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have a headache. Ich habe Halsschmerzen. I have a sore throat.
Wait, so Halsschmerzen is the thing I needed at the pharmacy?
I could have just said, ich habe Halsschmerzen instead of saying my throat was broken.
Exactly. Ich habe Halsschmerzen. I have a sore throat. So much easier. And ich habe Bauchschmerzen. I have a stomachache. Just add Schmerzen, pains, to the body part.
Ich habe Halsschmerzen. Ich habe Bauchschmerzen. The word Schmerzen sounds dramatic, and I am here for it.
And two more you will need a lot. Ich bin erkältet. That means I have a cold. And ich habe Fieber. That means I have a fever.
And if it's really bad, mir ist schlecht. That means I feel sick or nauseous.
Mir ist schlecht. I feel sick. Oh, that one I will sadly use after too much schnitzel.
Probably yes. Zusammenfassung. Mir tut der Kopf weh. My head hurts. Ich habe Halsschmerzen. I have a sore throat. Ich bin erkältet. I have a cold. Ich habe Fieber. I have a fever.
And if it is really bad, mir ist schlecht. I feel sick or nauseous.
Mir ist schlecht. I feel sick. Oh, that one I will sadly use after too much schnitzel.
Probably, yes. Zusammenfassung. Der Kopf, head, der Hals, throat, der Bauch, belly, der Rücken, back, der Arm, arm, das Bein, leg, der Zahn, tooth, das Ohr, ear.
Der Zahn, the tooth, das Ohr, the ear. So at the dentist, I say, mir tut der Zahn weh. My tooth hurts.
Perfekt, Max. You just combined section 2 and 3 by yourself. Mir tut der Zahn weh. My tooth hurts. That is exactly the goal.
Look at me building German sentences like a healthy adult. Mir tut der Zahn weh.
Zusammenfassung. Der Kopf, head, der Hals, throat, der Bauch, belly, der Rücken, back, der Arm, arm, das Bein, leg, der Zahn, tooth, point at it, name it, add v.
Point, name, add weh. My body is now a German vocabulary list. Slightly painful, very useful.
Section 4. At the pharmacy, die Apotheke. First, a culture fact that surprises people. In Germany, you can't buy most medicine in the supermarket. You go to die Apotheke, the pharmacy.
Wait, what? So I can't just grab painkillers next to my groceries? Even simple stuff?
Correct. Even basic painkillers come from die Apotheke, the pharmacy. So a super useful sentence is, wo ist die nächste Apotheke? That means, where is the nearest pharmacy?
Wo ist die nächste Apotheke? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Okay, I'm writing that one on my hand for emergencies.
Smart. And inside, the magic phrase is, haben Sie etwas gegen Husten? That means, do you have something for a cough?
Haben Sie etwas gegen Husten? And gegen means against. So literally, something against cough?
Yeah, exactly. Gegen means against. Germans fight their symptoms. Haben Sie etwas gegen Husten? Do you have something for a cough? And you can swap the symptom. Haben Sie etwas gegen Kopfschmerzen? Something for a headache.
Haben Sie etwas gegen Kopfschmerzen? Something against my headache. I'm basically declaring war on my own symptoms. I love it.
And the pharmacist might ask, haben Sie ein Rezept? That means, do you have a prescription? Which is the perfect bridge to the next section.
Haben Sie ein Rezept? Do you have a prescription? And what if I do not have one?
Then you simply say, nein, ich brauche etwas ohne Rezept. That means, no, I need something without a prescription. Ohne means without. Super handy.
Nein, ich brauche etwas ohne Rezept. No, I need something without a prescription. Ohne, without. Okay, collecting these like trading cards.
Zusammenfassung. Wo ist die nächste Apotheke? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Haben Sie etwas gegen Husten? Do you have something for a cough? Ohne Rezept? Without a prescription.
Pharmacy only, fight the symptom, mind the prescription. The German healthcare adventure continues.
Section 5. prescriptions, and the sick note. At the doctor, you often need das Rezept, the prescription. So you say, ich brauche ein Rezept.
Ich brauche ein Rezept. I need a prescription. And brauche means need? That is a verb I will use a lot when I'm sick.
Genau, brauche means need. Ich brauche ein Rezept. I need a prescription. Then you take that recept to the Apotheke, the pharmacy, to get your medicine.
So the doctor writes it, the pharmacy fills it. Like a little treasure map for medicine. Got it.
Beautiful image. Now the very German thing. If you are too sick to work, you need a Krankschreibung, a sick note. So you say, ich brauche eine Krankschreibung.
Ich brauche eine Krankschreibung. That is a monster of a word. What does it actually mean?
Krankschreibung literally means being written sick. It's the official note from the doctor that says you may stay home from work. Germans take this very seriously.
So it's a doctor's note for grown-ups. Ich brauche eine Krankschreibung. In English, we would just text our boss a sad emoji.
Not in Germany. Here, you need the official paper. And a useful question is, wie lange muss ich im Bett bleiben? That means, how long do I have to stay in bed?
Wie lange muss ich im Bett bleiben? How long do I have to stay in bed? Honestly, my favorite sentence so far.
I figured. Zusammenfassung. Ich brauche ein Rezept. I need a prescription. Ich brauche eine Krankschreibung. I need a sick note. Wie lange muss ich im Bett bleiben? How long must I stay in bed?
Prescription for the medicine, Krankschreibung for the boss, bed rest for me. A perfect sick day in German.
Section 6. Emergency Basics. I hope you never need these, but they could save your life. The most important number first. In Germany, you call 112 for an ambulance. Das ist der Notruf, the emergency call.
112, not 911. Okay, that's genuinely important to know before I travel. Notruf, emergency call.
Yes, 112 all across Europe. And the sentence that gets help fast is, ich brauche einen Krankenwagen. That means I need an ambulance.
Ich brauche einen Krankenwagen. I need an ambulance. And Krankenwagen literally means sick wagon? A car for sick people?
Yes, Kranken from sick, Wagen from car, a sick car. German is wonderfully literal. Ich brauche einen Krankenwagen. I need an ambulance.
A sick car. I'll never forget that now. Ich brauche einen Krankenwagen.
And the one word that opens every door in an emergency, Hilfe, that just means help.
Hilfe, help. Short, loud, easy to scream. Exactly what you want in a panic.
Exactly. And if you need to point at the danger, es ist ein Notfall. That means it is an emergency. Notfall, emergency.
Es ist ein Notfall. It is an emergency. Okay, dark topic, but I feel weirdly prepared now.
That's the goal. Zusammenfassung. 112 is the number. Ich brauche einen Krankenwagen. I need an ambulance. Hilfe, help. Es ist ein Notfall. It is an emergency.
From a sore throat all the way to an ambulance. I officially have a full medical toolkit now.
You do. So let us test it. Speed round, Max. Bist du bereit? Are you ready?
Bereit. Hit me with the symptoms.
Number 1. How do you say, I would like to make an appointment?
Ich möchte einen Termin machen.
Sehr gut. That means very good. Number 2. How do you say, my head hurts?
Mir tut der Kopf weh. And no body part is broken this time.
Haha, progress. Number 3. How do you say, I have a sore throat?
Ich habe Halsschmerzen. The sentence that should have saved me at the pharmacy.
Exactly right. Number 4. How do you ask, do you have something for a cough?
Haben Sie etwas gegen Husten? Declaring war on my cough.
Perfect. And the last one, the serious one, how do you say, I need an ambulance?
Ich brauche einen Krankenwagen. I need a sick car. I will never forget that translation.
Bravo, Max. You went from a broken throat to a full doctor visit in German. I am proud of you.
So today I learned, ich möchte einen Termin machen to book a visit. Mir tut der Kopf weh for pain. Ich habe Halsschmerzen for a sore throat. Haben Sie etwas gegen Husten at the pharmacy? And ich brauche einen Krankenwagen for emergencies.
And here's the trick that makes it stick. Do not try to memorize all of these at once. Pick one sentence, mir tut der Kopf weh, and say it out loud 3 times today.
One sentence, 3 times. That is doable, even for a lazy patient like me.
And to you watching, tell us in the comments, what is the most embarrassing thing you ever tried to say at a doctor or pharmacy in another language? We really want to hear it.
Please make me feel less alone about the broken throat thing.
And don't worry about sounding perfect. A simple mir tut der Kopf weh always works better than a perfect sentence you never dare to say.
And next time, we're getting our lives organized. Anna is teaching us how to tell the time and talk about our daily routine in German.
Which means you'll finally be able to say when your appointment actually is. You'll love it.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Cheese!